Apply this serum to your thinning hair and your hair will never stop growing. In this video, I am going to share how to make thin hair to thick hair in 1 week just with the ingredients in your home. It moisturizes the hair and treats brittle hair for extreme hair growth. You will get thick, long, soft, smooth and healthy hair. Before we go ahead with this effective recipe, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips. Things we need: fenugreek seeds, Milegi seeds. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of iron and protein, 2 essential nutrients for hair growth. Aloe vera gel. Enzymes present in aloe vera gel effectively break down dead skin cells on the scalp that may clog hair follicles. Rosemary essential oil. Beyond stimulating hair growth, rosemary essential oil is used to prevent premature graying and dandruff. It may also help dry or itchy scalp. How to prepare. First, we need to take 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in a bowl. Then add 1 cup of water and boil it in a medium flame. You need to boil till the water reduces to half. After that, strain the mixture in a bowl and let it cool completely. When it gets cooled down, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and also 4 to 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Now mix all the ingredients well and pour it in a glass spray bottle and store it in the fridge. You can store this in refrigerator for 7 days. Spray this serum all over your scalp every day, before going to bed. And massage it well. Then leave it for overnight. And you can wash your hair in the morning. Continue to use this for 1 month to get best results. You will notice a huge difference from the first week itself. This serum removes dandruff and helps in double hair growth. You will get rid of baldness and get thick, long and strong hair. Do check out the link given in the description box below to grow longer hair and prevent hair damage with this amazing product. Try this remedy and send your feedback in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you tap the thumbs up button for this video and consider subscribing for more hair care contents. See you soon.